Don't be a monkey.
Daddy, can you lift me up?
Hold on.
Hello!
Let me light it off, Lord.
Hi then, have a picture. Now you got in the dark now.
Fireworks?
They're more happy with the sparkler.
Sparklers? It will, they'll go out eventually. Tom's has gone out. Do you want another one, Hayden?
Of course, yeah. Too dark, Kate.
Oh, can you lift me up again?
Too dark.
Dad,
Careful,
there's a
darling.
light on it, you know.
Where? Is there a light on here?
Hayden, be careful because your feet...
You sure?
Are you on the camera or the video?
Video.
There should be a light on them.
Alright.
That's it here, come here.
Nice and dry, but it's the ground. And be careful. I'm not going to
Don't do that.